Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change your account information or your age, specifically on Hulu. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, Hulu is an online subscription-based video streaming service on which you can watch movies and shows similarly to Netflix and to Disney Plus and other similar services. It is only available in the US, so you can only watch it from the US. However, you can watch it anywhere in the world if you use a VPN. So make sure that you use a VPN if you're not in the US. Now, once you create your account, set everything up, choose a subscription, and so on and so forth, there might be some certain movies or shows that are restricted to audiences, let's say below 18 or below 16, and so on and so forth. What you want to do then is to change your age, and you do that through your accounts page. Once you're logged in, go into the top right as you can see here and just select your account and then go to your account page. It's pretty much the same for both mobile and web browsers, so this tutorial will help you either way. Go into your account page and go for the section Your Account. Under Your Account, you will see Personal Info as a subsection, and that is where your age is located. Next to that, well, you can see not only your age, but everything you might want to change or see of personal info. And then right next to it, you'll see a button that says Update Info. You want to click on that, and once you do, you will be able to enter new information, and your account should be changed, and you will have new information added. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be seeing you guys in another video.